Okay, so let's look at verbs with gerunds or infinitives, yet have no change in the meaning of the sentence or in the verb itself. Yet there's no change of meaning. So some verbs have no change when they're used within the sentence. So for example, I like to work, infinitive, to work, to play, to dance, to write, to speak, to work from home. Okay? I like working, ing, gerund, working from home. Now, both of these are grammatically correct. I like to work from home, I like working from home. Both of these give the same image across to the listener. And yet both of these are equally fine when articulating thoughts and feelings. Because some verbs can go with either the infinitive or the ing when talking about something. She can't stand to teach. She can't stand teaching French, history, geography. I'd like to meet. I'd like a meeting with him. I would like to meet him. I'd like, they'd want a meeting with him. They'd want to meet him. Again, we can either use the infinitive or the gerund. Sometimes the gerund might need an A at the start, a meeting. I want to write my novel. I want to be writing my novel. To be. They are writing my novel. They are going to write my novel. I like to drive. I like driving. And that's a sentence by itself. I like to drive. I like driving, as it is. I like. I need to drive. I need driving experience. I need driving adventures. Yeah. We can add stuff to the bit here in the sentence. I need driving experience. I like driving adventures. Makes sense. I like driving experience. Yeah, doesn't quite make sense, but I totally get the idea. I like driving experiences. Yeah. I like driving adventures. That's better. And beyond. We'd, let's have this, we'd like to, let's try to go camping. To go camping. We'd like to camp. We'd like to go camping in nature. We'd like to camp in nature. Makes sense. Again, the verb with the gerund or the infinitive, the meaning doesn't change, it's consistent. It makes sense. Maybe add a few other words here, A or to be, some other words, but it's consistent. It means the same thing, whether you're using the infinitive or the gerund. Okay. I'd like to work from home. How about this? I don't like. It makes the same sense with don't. Negatives. Ugh. She can't stand. I like to work from home. I don't like to work from home. I don't like working from home. I love working from home. It makes sense. I don't need driving experience. We don't like to go camping in nature. We don't like to camp in nature. We like to go camping in the mountains or on the coast. This one here though, stand. She stand to teach. Doesn't make sense. She can't stand. Now that makes sense, but stand by itself doesn't make sense. She can't stand to teach. She can't stand teaching. That makes sense. Stand by itself doesn't really work. That's one of the verbs that don't quite go with either infinitives or gerunds. She stand to teach. No. She stand to teaching. No. We stand, he stand, it. No. Stand just doesn't work. Just doesn't make grammatical sense. But there are some words: to meet, write, drive, camp, and beyond. Like, refuse. She refused working from home. She refused to work from home. She refuses to work from home. That kind of works. Refuse. Refuse. Oh, refuse. No way. She refuses to work from home. She refuses to teach. She refuses to teach English. She refused teaching English at the school. She refuses to teach English at the school. Makes sense. Yeah. And you can always add more words to the sentence to help explain the meaning and what it's all about. Okay. All right. Let's keep going.